Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to record screen with OBS. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Open Broadcaster software OBS is a favorite among gamers, YouTubers, educators, and remote professionals for its reliable screen recording and streaming capabilities. This free open source tool has features that cater to everyone, from first-time user to experienced creator. Whether you're streaming your favorite game, teaching a virtual class, or producing content for YouTube, OBS equips you with the tools to achieve professional quality results. So what if you want to record your screen with OBS? It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our OBS. And from here, before you start recording, you can set up your settings. So you can go to Files, you can go to Settings. From Settings, you don't need to change the general. You can just go to Output. Your output, you can just scroll down, you can go to Recording. And in here, recording path, you can maybe you want to move where you want to save your recording. Well, I will just save it on my users motivate videos. After that, you can set your recording quality same as stream, or you want to set your uh, recording quality with high quality, medium file size, or indistinguishable quality, large file size, or lossless quality, tremendously large file size. So I will just set to high quality with medium file size, and also you can also change the recording format. You can change to MPEG for video encoder. You can just select on software, and also the audio encoder. You can just select on AAC default. You can just use the default settings. And also for the audio, you can select in here. You can set your audio for desktop audio is default, desktop audio to disabled, and you have to make sure that you have setting the input right. So now you're ready. You can go to video. You can select the aspect ratio for base, the resolution. You can set this and also like this. So you can just apply. So now you're ready to record screen with your OBS. You can just select on start recording. You can start recording. And also for that, don't forget to choose the display capture if you want to record your entire screen. And if you only want to record maybe your gameplay, you can just select on game capture. So after you start your recording, you can start your activity like maybe playing games or record your anything. After you finish, you can just select on stop recording, and you can find your recording in here on videos. So this one, it's very simple, right? So that is how to record screen with OBS. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.